Hey guys, what's up? I'm Becca and welcome to my channel. So like I said in my last video, which I will link up here, I finally got a new lens. It is the Canon 50mm f1.4. So it is a fixed lens. It can't zoom in, it can't zoom out. And that is why my shots are so tight in now. It's because my camera is literally as far away from me in my room as I can get it without sitting like on my bed, and that would not be good. So this is just the focal length we got right now, and hopefully it can be different soon because I'm moving in the next couple months. So maybe I'll have a different space thing going on with the camera. But the point of this video is I am back with another K-pop inspired video. This week is a group that has been a long time coming, and that is BTS. Now, BTS are still young, spry chickens to me, and I forget they're as old as they are, and I'm extremely proud of the success they have accumulated in the past couple of years. And so it's about time I finally did a video based on one of their music videos. But it's not going to be one for the full group, so I don't really know if I can say it's BTS. The inspiration for today's video is Jimim's song Serendipity, which was used as the intro for their newest album, Her? Love Yourself? I don't know, I've heard many a name for it. And so it's their newest one that came out in like end of 2017, beginning of 2018. I don't even know my timeline anymore because time is fake. But when I decided to do this song, I was like, yeah, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I've got my colors picked out. I'm just gonna go with it. I know what I want to do. And so the other day, when I actually watched the music video to refresh myself, I realized that every color I was gonna do was wrong, essentially. For some reason in my head, the music video was full of warm sunlight and golds and mustard yellows, and no, there's like 2 or 3 yellow things in that whole music video, and it's a blanket, a giant ball, and maybe something else? I don't know. Most of it is in front of white, or at some point he's just like floating in space and it's lots of nighttime scenes. So I don't know what music video I was imagining because I even went and checked, and it is not another BTS music video. And after telling that to several of my friends, including some ARMY friends, I decided I was just gonna do what I was gonna do in the first place and just blame my color scheme on Park Jimin's beautiful, warm voice. And so I'm going to go ahead and link up here Jimin's music video for you guys to see. And so yeah, I'm just still going to do the colors I had planned on, the look I had planned on, and it's not really going to match the music video, but it's more the way the song makes me feel. So we're going with that one. It's the way the song makes me feel. And now I'm just, after you've already watched the video, because I already linked it up here for you, I'm just gonna start showing you the frames that inspired me, because they're apparently the only ones I remembered from the music video. And now that you have seen that, we're gonna get on into it. Like always, you are just going to see a sped through version of me doing the makeup. It's not going to be like a tutorial. I'm not going to name every product in the video. I'm just going to hold it up for you and then go. And so that way you get to the finished look at the end even quicker, and I will talk to you then at the end.
What do you think of this one?
This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It's really fun and whimsical. I actually forgot to print the butterflies off when I was at work last week, and so they're kind of the wrong color, but they just kind of pop off the face more now. Yeah, like I just want to stare at myself in my monitor. That's all I want to do. And it's hard for me to get good pictures of it because the sun's going down. And it's just, it's a lot, but it's super cute, I think. And my battery's about to die, so I gotta get some pictures before this dies. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button down below and become part of the fam. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, while you're down there, just tippy tap that bell so you get push notifications for whenever I post new content. But before you go, here's some other videos from my channel. And so just click one and go to the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!